Hi, my name is Jordan Grancell. This is a 2018 Honda Civic, and we're here at Conicelli Honda in Conshohocken. Let me show you all about this vehicle. This car has adaptive cruise control, collision monitoring, and stability control. Electronic park brake is a feature of this vehicle. Brake hold allows you to take your foot off the brake and the car will stay in place. Eco mode, which gets you better fuel economy. Adaptive cruise control, which will keep you in line with traffic. Lane keeping technology, which reads the lines on the road to keep you in the right spot. As well as radio mounted steering controls. This Honda Civic is a hatchback, which gives you a lot of flexibility for transporting your things. You have a beautiful privacy screen, keeps your private things private. Our certified cars come with 2 keys, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty from new, a 12-month, 12,000 comprehensive warranty, and peace of mind knowing that the brakes and tires are 50% tread life or better. The Conicellis have been serving Conshohocken in the greater Philadelphia region for over 50 years. Thanks for visiting with us.